Well, hello everybody. It's Bobby at Bobby's Hobbies, and what do we have here? We have a ready-to-roll Athearn, State of Maine. Wow, it's beautiful colors. State of Maine products in red, white, and blue. It's really pretty. And there you see it says Montreal, Maine, and Atlantic. It's a really nice looking piece. I picked this up in a collection in around 2012. So it's already 13 years been sitting in the box. No indication of when it was made, but again, this is the Ready to Roll series, Montreal, Maine, Atlantic, Boxcar. Now, let's see what's inside. We can get this open. All right, well, we're going to do the under the arm trick to hold the outside box. And it's sliding out nicely. Look at that. And it's inside another plastic case. So, look, it's got another plastic protector. This is plastic, so it's really well protected. I don't know what this goes for now. Athearn, 50-foot boxcar. Oh, since December 1998, Athearn models include Bachmann easy-made couplers available from any hobby shop. So we know it's post 1998. Ooh. Revised 03-04. Does that mean it was revised in 2004? So that's what I'm guessing, that this is from 2004. So when I got in 12, it was probably already 8 years old. So this poor, wonderful item has been sealed in this box for all that time. Let's get a little grab on. There we go. And it's sticky. She doesn't want to let go. It is kind of funny sometimes with things. You just don't want to let go. That's so true in life too, right? You don't want to let go of stuff. Got to come out of the shell if you want to live. And if you're never born, you never die. But what good is that? All right. First time looks like it's been held by human hands. Wow. Okay, now it's got an excellent truck, but not top of the line in my mind because it doesn't have real springs. But it does have black and metal wheels that should provide good rolling. It does have the Bachmann Easy Made couplers. Beautiful addition of the step up. That would help a hobo get on there. Very nice crisp lettering. 33-inch steel wheels. Look at that. Step up's not broken. And this side, nice crisp lettering. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's put it on the main line, which I know there's a little, oh yeah. Look at that. She's picking up the natural slope in there pretty well. She's stable. Yep. What a pretty car. All right. Well, thanks for watching. And remember, that's Athearn Ready to Roll. Maybe you could find it on eBay. Beautiful car. And it looks great with the colors. Hey, thanks for watching. Bye for now.